Hi, I'm Chef Jeff, and I want to help you become more like a professional in your home kitchen. And with that, you need this tool in your culinary toolbox. So if you don't know how to flip in a pan and get all your food to turn over while you're cooking, if you're constantly just stirring everything, well then this video is for you, all right? So the first thing about flipping in a pan is don't practice with food. I think that's why everyone gets so scared, is they don't want to see all this food go all over their table, all right, and their stovetop and have to clean up. So when you get to that point, you're like, I need to flip my omelet. I'll just use a spatula. You right? Okay, so stop punking out and let's learn how to flip in a pan, right? My videographer asked me, he said, what do pinto beans have to do with an omelet? I've never had them in my omelet. I said, you're just gonna have to wait and see. So I've got some pinto beans here, and we're gonna put them into my little skillet here, and I'm gonna teach you how to flip in a pan. So it's 3 easy steps, right? The first thing you do is you swirl the food to get it loosened from the pan. Now, yes, you may need a spatula at this point, like say something's sticking a little bit, maybe you kind of release it from the pan, but you swirl, then you tilt at your wrist right here. So you swirl, and as you're swirling, you tilt at your wrist so all the food bunches up in the front of the pan. And then the third step is to elbow the person behind you, just like that. Elbow the person behind you. So you swirl, tilt, and literally elbow that person behind you. I mean, just hit them, okay? Hit them hard. So again, you swirl, tilt, get the food to the front, elbow the person behind you. Swirl, tilt, elbow. Now, you should be able to do this on a flat surface. Swirl, tilt, and you should be able to flip in a pan on a flat surface. I tell you that because a lot of times people think that swirling or flipping in a pan is a risk going up and down. That's not the way to do it, okay? It's not this up and down motion, right? What happens when you go up and down, your food goes up and down and nothing flips over. So it's all about the swirl, the tilt, and that backward motion. The curve of the pan will do the job for you, all right? Now, a couple of tips. The smaller the food, the smaller the tilt. The bigger the food, the bigger the tilt, and the higher your beans or your food will go.